Okay, hi. This is a tutorial. Tutorial for the old Oculus thingy. This thing for the old Oculus thing. Let me just uninstall it first. Hold on. Let me just quickly uninstall this. Okay. So that part of the uninstall is done. This is the rest of it, which has my login and shit. So it's gonna be completely like wabam, like everything is gonna be covered here. Hopefully, maybe. Okay. So Meta Horizon, blah blah blah. You download the thing, right? Just whoop-de-doo. Brand new. Like, you just got this computer. You just go through the normal setup. You log in. And then you uninstall it. But don't uninstall the app data stuff. Because that has your login. Look at that terrible logo, isn't it? Terrible? Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, sure. Cool, now it's done. So now, there's shit here. Jesus, it's so... Just uninstall it. Get out. Yeah, so now it's the new stupid UI. Let me set this first. There we go. Okay, so disable that, enable that. I'm just turning off all this stuff like... okay, so now that part is done. Get out. So now you uninstall it. Again. Not again. You uninstall it. Okay, so that's all done. That's great. That's fine. Now, there we go. So this is the thing. This is the archive link that has the old setup and shit. What you want to do is download this little zip file and then download all of these, like all of these. So basically, download all these zips and the offline thing, the one that has the no cert check, the cab file, the other cab file. Just here we go. So what you want to do is go through the 2016 setup, the one that has 2016 810 on it. You just gotta go through this and just set it up like it's normal. Yeah, that's the Oculus logo. Let's go. Agree. Okay. Now it's done. Hopefully. Yeah, here we go. So, it already logged me in because I just uninstalled it, the Link software, without any of the, like, wiping the app data or anything. I don't know if it works the same on Windows 11, but it probably is. Shut up. Yeah, so this is very bare bones. Like, there's not even, like, I don't know what the remote is. There's not even touch control support yet. So, on this one, at least. So, what are you going to do? X out, just close it all, get rid of it. Just gut it completely. All of it. There's OVR server, delete that. OVR. Oh, I saw that. Yeah. Just close all of the OVR services that are Oculus. Because now what you're going to do is do this cool thing. It's called, open the file location on the Oculus folder, and then gut this completely. Just gut it. Just absolutely maul it beyond recognition. It's just kill it. All of it. Oh my god, yes, I know. Just gut it completely. And then, what you're gonna do is go back to the 2017. I already extracted all these, but these zip folders, zip files, you just unextract them to there. You use 7-zip. You do this. You select all of them. You go to 7-zip, extract to slash, and that makes their own folders because that's what you want. So what you do is select all these. The DirectX and like all this shit, it's probably be installed already, and if it isn't, then install them. So you can copy them over to this support folder and then paste it. And basically what that's doing is the 2016, sorry, that was my Discord, not yours. Actually, was that me? No, that was someone else. Okay. So the 2016 thing that I just installed, it's like really old. Kind of sucks because there's no touch controller support. So you can just gut that completely and then replace it with the 2017 files, because the 2017 files for some reason doesn't have a setup, but the 2016 does. So now it's in here, and hopefully when you open Oculus it's gonna work. And if it doesn't, yeah, it'll show this. It says your software is updating. It's not. It's a lie. What you gotta do, services.msc or whatever. You just go to services and scroll to O. Yeah, Oculus VR library and runtime. Start them, because you know you go to task manager. You close them so you can delete the files. Library service. That doesn't work. That doesn't. I don't care. Oh, a good thing to note. When you go into VR, it's gonna show a bunch of like graph something errors. So you gotta go back to the host file, the one that I forgot to delete or like get rid of, or to edit. You gotta go back to that. System 32, drivers, etc. Host. Edit with Notepad plus. So basically, you just uncomment them. You make them get real. Basically, they are now real. You are now blocking Oculus.com, I think. Nope, that's not what I want. Graph to Oculus. Yeah, now it's okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm shit. Did I actually edit it? Yeah, I did. Okay. So now you open Oculus again. And now it works. Hooray. And then it says can't do it. Wow. Womp womp. New drivers update. Cool. Yeah, do it. And now it's gonna install drivers. If you don't get that, I don't think it matters. But if you do get it, you should probably update your drivers. It's good, and then it's gonna take its sweet time. There we go. Okay. Nope. I think it did this the first time. There we go. So now it can't connect. Whoop-de-doo. Let's go to settings. And now you're gonna set up your thing. Your headset. So. Yup, I know. I can't find my headset. I wonder why. It's almost like it's not even plugged in. So now you gotta just plug in your headset like what you normally would to set up your thing. Also, sorry if my voice sounds different. I'm a little sick, so maybe it sounds the same. I also just ate a fat thing of ramen, so that might be it. I don't know. Ow. Get in there. Okay. Yeah, now it says, shut up, it's plugged in. Okay, so now it's probably gonna open this. If it doesn't, I don't know how to fix that, cause I haven't actually gone. Oh? Yeah, it's showing something on the screen. on the, yeah, shut up. Yeah, set up Rift. Get to know your Rift. Remove the thing. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I'm surprised the things are working. You go to next. You use touch controller. Because that's what I'm using. I don't think anybody has the, remote. So now, you know, you have your controllers ready. Now you gotta do the thing. Menu, Y. Now it's gonna flash. And yay. Cool. Done. Whoop-de-doo. And then the right controller. Eventually. Come on. Come. Okay. Dude. Are we working? There we go. Next. And then you look for your right controller. Oculus B. Wait till it flashes on the top. And now it's flashing. And now you let it sit. Literally just do the setup. What it does what it tells you. Come on. I know it does not take that long to finalize your controller. Okay. Yep. And then, wow, this is like the exact same. This is the same as the newer setup. It's literally the same except for the UI. That's really funny. Okay, next. Yep. I am 5'11". Totally. Trust. Oh yeah. Yeah, clear your space. I'm gonna put this. Learn about experimental 360 tracking. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Next. Setup sensor tracking. Boom. And now you do the setup. So literally just do the damn setup. Yay. Yep. Okay, now you go to your headset, and hopefully the mic works. Get ready for probably a loud noise. Yeah, it works. Okay. I gotta do the lens facing thing. Oh. It's really loud. That's really loud. Hold on. You know, let me try and pull up the mirror. Yeah, it's my controller. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. 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 Oh, it's still doing it. Well, now it's done, I think. Is it done? Yeah, now it's done. Okay. So, let me exit that. Let me just, I don't know why it keeps showing the thing with that. It was somebody else. It's my Discord, not yours. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Here's the other part of the tutorial. This is how to get SteamVR to work. Hopefully. First let me check what version I have, because I don't actually remember. Because it has to be, you know, obviously an old ass version, but really? Does it do that? That's stupid. Okay. SteamVR, help, go. Okay, this is the build I'm on. Shut up. This is the build I'm on. Let me take a screenshot of that actually. So, yeah, close that. This is how to downgrade the build of SteamVR, because there used to be an old build that would work. Shut up. VR. There used to be an old beta build that would work, but that doesn't work. It's gone. So let me just uninstall this. And let me find that one thing. So what you need is SteamDB to get the build. And then I'm gonna just link this in the description because that's how I found this. And just scroll down to like here or so. Let's go to here. Why is it in Japanese? Why does it keep doing that? It's annoying. Basically, this is what you need. Not these longer numbers, because that's for an even older build that doesn't actually work. But, let me just get these. So, just get rid of these older numbers, because this is like the version that you're gonna get. These big numbers over here. So, yeah, it says here, the May 23rd or so. That's the build that, you know what? Fuck it. It's a newer build. I don't care. Okay, this is deep shit now. Not really, but, yeah, so this one down here, Oculus Win 7 and Win 8. This is, I think these could work. Hopefully. Okay, it doesn't work. Never mind. That was a waste of time. Fucking thing. Okay, let me just... Ow. See, why did I do all that? I should have just checked the build. Okay, hello, this is me. Right now, here. As of this moment, because I just checked SteamVR and it doesn't work on this build. The one that I just downgraded. Yeah, it says, cause this is too old. Because this is 2017 and this is 2020. Which I'm not surprised. So, what you gotta do? Okay, so what you gotta do? Who the fuck is Sophia? It's probably a bot. Whatever. Okay, SteamVR. Gut it completely. Just get rid of it. I'm just gonna speedrun this. Steam nav console. Okay. Let me find that forum post. Okay. So just do these. This is a really bad tutorial. I should probably just edit this out. I don't know. I'm bad at editing though. Okay. And then the 830, 831, and 833. Download these. And the build number is, or the date, May 23rd, 2018. So get the ones that don't say beta. If they say beta, don't get them. I could not spell for the life of me. Okay. Is that this environments thing, the 830, I think it's just SteamVR Home. So I don't think you need to get them, but it's cool nonetheless. But it's already there. Third. Okay, let me get the content. You go to 250820, and then you just wait for these to download. So I'm gonna just pause it. Okay, I'm back. I'm back with the new stuff. So just fuck, I forgot. I don't like doing tutorials. It's just annoying. Cause I have to speak and make sure I don't sound crazy. Cause I don't know. So basically what you do is these depots right here. That's my Discord, not your Discord, it's mine. It's all my Discord. These depots right here, you gotta put them in the SteamVR folder. Okay, so now it's done, and you can gut the depot files because they're in the folder already. And now, it's time for will this fucking work or not? It's my favorite game show. It's called Please Work, Please, Please, Please Work. Now I'm back in here. It's my hands. Woo. So now you just open SteamVR and hopefully it works. And if it doesn't, then what the fuck? Because I already, yeah, please wait. That means it's actually doing something. I forgot to turn this on. We gotta go to unknown. You gotta go to settings. Where's the OBS? I forgot to mention. You have to go to Oculus settings, developer. Oh, beta. No? Yeah, general unknown sources. Turn them on. I forgot to do that. Because for some reason it just turns itself off. Okay. Now I want to try. Yeah, that doesn't work, obviously. So these tutorials and shit, they don't work. I don't know why, but they just don't work. So, here we go. There it is. Okay. Okay, now you just open SteamVR. Are you sure it's ready? It's looking pretty not ready. There we go. So all the buttons are different. Not really, but the teleport button is the stick. And then the rotate buttons are for some reason X and A. A turns 90 degrees right, X turns 90 degrees left. And this is the menu. I don't know why it's so laggy, but yeah. So now SteamVR works. It's really old, but it works. For some reason, there's no like desktop thing, even though I've seen it. I've seen it on one of the old news things on Steam. It showed like settings and then desktop like up here, but it's gone. It's not there. I don't know. Also, Steam picks your default settings on headphones, so you gotta change them to Rift. And now it works, as you can hear. So, yeah, this works. This works. I could play some Job Simulator, like a little demo. I don't actually remember how to. So, what was that? Go reset app.
Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of office worker.
Shut up. You're really loud.
Take a look at this board for instructions.
I cannot hear you. What the hell?
Workers would traditionally start their day with an addictive liquid stimulant.
Yeah, so it works. I don't really have anything else to talk about in this tutorial. Fuck you. Ugh, my cable. So, to get the Oculus apps to work, no, you can't. There's like not really any good way to, I mean, you can get, like, to get the stuff on the library, to get apps in the library, it needs to support this really old ass version, which is like none of them, because they're updated now. So, I mean, Beat Saber.
Oh, a message.
The first version of Beat Saber, the like really old one with from 2018. That one works if you load it in Oculus mode. I tried getting SteamVR to show up on the library, but I don't know if it works. So, yeah, it says, what are you waiting for? Do your thing. But it doesn't work. There is Beat Saber, because in my demo video, it worked. Yeah, I heard. You point at what? Ugh. Give me a radio. It doesn't do anything. So, yeah. Have fun with last Oculus. And if you want to just go back to new Oculus, just gut this. Or just uninstall it with the uninstaller. Like, you just search up uninstall Oculus on the Windows thing, and then uninstall it. And don't forget to go to your host file and block the domains. Yeah. Where is my mouse? There it is.